Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at a 20% off coupon code WAG20, pairing it with Walgreens brand items. Currently, those are the only items that are attaching to this 20% off discount code that can be utilized only curbside. So we're going to dive into this. I think it's an excellent opportunity to stock up on meat and potatoes, cleaning, and paper products. But before we dive into it, if you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps me out to ensure that this video doesn't end up in a timeout or gets lost. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. So for these deals specifically, we are doing it curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check and ordering it, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. There are various items in this week's flyer that are $1.99 that are working with the coupon code, along with various paper products that are BOGO 50% off. So it's not all, but it's some. I noticed the food products are not attaching, but if you don't like what I have selected, you might want to just look through the app and just type in Walgreens brand products. And when you look in the app for these products, if that 20% off code is attached at the bottom for additional savings, you just scroll down a little bit below, you know you are picking up the right items. So you would have to delete WAG10 or cross 15 or whatever the code you might be using and type in WAG20 into the area where you type in your coupon code or discount code. Now, if you do not like the Walgreens generic brands, what I suggest is to watch yesterday's video, a lot of $10 or less dealios. And again, I know that generic, a lot of people don't like to buy it or use it or whatever reason. So I will link this video at the very end, various deals that are name brand products. You might want to check it out. I also want to let you guys know on Sunday and Monday, for whatever dumb reason in the app or on my tablet, I kept getting this error message in the Walgreens app, so I don't know if the app is just sick or what's going on, but on a desktop computer, it's perfectly fine. But I was getting these little timeouts, or I was seeing that inventory was nothing, or you couldn't even look up toilet paper, which was really odd. So just be mindful of that. Maybe reset the app, like, just log out of the app, log back in, or just refresh the app in your phone or whatever, or possibly just wait a couple hours. But I've been seeing this error message the last 2 days, which is quite curious. Let's hop right into it with deal number one. This one, we are going to be grabbing 4 of the Walgreens bath tissues. That's buy one, get one 50% off. Now, alternatively, they also have a 6-pack of paper towel, but I know a lot of us are always looking for a really good toilet paper deal just to make sure that we're fully covered. So using the coupon code here at checkout, you're just going to type in WAG20. Now, if you have a different discount code in there, see where that little trash can is, the bottom right-hand corner? You would just press that for WAG10 to type in WAG20 for promotion code to get that extra $3 of savings. So $15, subtracting the 3, a little bit of tax, we're looking at $12.72. You're saving $8. And this is exactly what we're talking about for extreme couponing. This is a very good deal. If you want to use Walgreens cash, by all means go for it. None of us have boosters this week, but this is just a simple and quick and easy deal to get some cheap toilet paper. We're going to look at a larger basket at the very end for paper products. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and this one we're going to be looking at a lot of these cleaners that are $1.99 this week. That includes this toilet bowl cleaner, and I mean, if you're not specific in your household that this is the same as Lysol, you're never going to see it for this price point. It is so cheap. We're also going to throw in 3 of these toilet papers, very similar to the Charmin Ultra Soft, if you've ever tried that or if that is a favorite. Very similar consistency in my little book. So just again, typing in the code WAG20, you're saving an additional $2.40. And this WAG20 is just on Walgreens branded items. It's not everything in this store. So let's remember that class. The overall total is $11.94, $2.40 melting off. So with my tax, it's $10.11. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, by all means go for it and pay 11 cents and call this a very good deal. Deal number 3, for this one, we're again looking at other types of products that include this $1.99 dish soap. So I'm throwing 3 of them into the cart. And then these smaller trash bags at $1.99 as well. And as you can see, the code WAG20 is applying to both. So I think the top one's like a dupe for the Dawn dish soap. I've never used the Walgreens generic, but I would probably, like, for $1.99, why not? And then just to show you, $2.40 melting off. There's also some sort of like Walgreens generic like Windex spray. Unfortunately, my store was cleared out of it, but if you want to try and look that up, if you want some sort of cleaner, by all means. Just to show you, the overall total here is $11.94, $2.40 melting off. So your total is $10.11. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 11 cents. And this is exactly what we're talking about for saving big, big money. Deal number 4, for this one, we're going to be grabbing another host of various products at $1.99 this week. I think this is supposed to be like a Fabuloso cleaner. So this one's like, it looks obviously like a lavender one. And then we're going to throw in 2 of these toilet bowl cleaners. I might grab a couple of those just to test them out. Is it as good as Lysol? Yes or no? I'll have to figure that out. And then disinfectant wipes for $1.99. We're going to toss 3 of those in there. So the overall savings here is $2.80 with the code WAG20. So you can see we're saving a significant amount. And the overall total is $13.93, $2.80 coming off with WAG20 and our tax. So the total here is $11.80. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.80 and call this a very good meat and potatoes basket for cleaning items that we usually don't get coupon deals for. This next deal is really fantastic if you have a baby or if you need these wipes. It is the Walgreens brand and it is the sensitive, so it's fragrance free. And you are getting 6 bags with 64 wipes per bag. So it's the big box of them. And they are 2 for $20 this week. We have a store coupon, which is the 3 off of 2. And you guessed it, our magic coupon code is stacking with this for some extra savings. Hey, if you have to go to a baby shower, if you have a baby, or if you just like these sort of wipes, they're very handy to have, especially if you have young kids or pets or whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So we have the $3 coming off along with $3.40 melting off with WAG20. So this is just a really fantastic deal. So just to look at the overall math here, $20, $6.40 melting off, free curbside pickup and 82 cents. So $14.42 if you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $4.42, a very smart and sensible deal. And the final basket that we're looking at is the larger one on paper, and I'm going to walk you through what I did here. I threw in 4 of the toilet papers, and I really recommend, if you're going to do this deal, to go to the store ASAP, because the paper products usually take a larger amount of space. So just to be courteous to the employees, I would try and get there like within 6 hours to pick it up. And I'm also going with 3 of these to get the balance to be a lot less than $26, because a lot of you will probably be like, well, why aren't you getting the 4th item? Just to get the math to balance for a lot less out of pocket. So 3 paper towels. And then using the code WAG20, look at this, $5.50 melting off. So that is really spectacular if you think about it. The overall total is $27.50. $5.50 melting off with our tax. It's $23.36. If you wish to use $20 in Walgreens cash, you'd pay $3.32. Not a bad little balance for this one. If you opt to get the like 8 of them, it's going to be a little bit more. So this is just the smaller out of pocket. That's it for this video. And again, if you want more curbside deals, check out the video linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.